it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of y'all are having a lovely day. Thank you so much for joining me today for this lovely Tease Tuesday, which is hosted by Kathy's Favorite Things and Life with Patty. I'll be linking their channels down below, and if you hit the hashtag, you'll be able to see all the Tea Tuesdays that are available for you to watch. Oh, I'm already messing this up. I'm so sorry. Okay, I'm just not used to this. Okay, so my mother-in-law gave me this cute little tea set, and she knew that I was loving being into Tea Tuesdays, and she picked out the most perfect one that she could, and it absolutely represents you guys so beautifully. This is just Lipton tea, and so today we have some beautiful happy mail from Jen over at Sassy Southern NC Girl. I'll also be linking her channel below. She is hosting her very own collab for a puzzle piece challenge, and I told her that I would love to participate. So let's see what she has sent. Let's open up her beautiful card. I love the fact that she used stamps because these stamps I rarely see anymore. But how cute is that? Oh my god. Aw, Jenny. Look how cute these butterflies are. She knows that I love butterflies, and I love this botanical. This would be beautiful even as like a junk journal cover. How fitting. How cute is this? So here are the two little puzzle pieces that I will be altering and sending back to her, and then when she gets them, she will be connecting all of them together with everybody's artwork. How special is that? Super neat idea. I cannot wait to get started on that. So if you would like to see how I go about altering them, please stay tuned. Her little card says, BB, thank you so much for joining my puzzle piece challenge. I can't wait to see what you create. Blessings, Jen. Thank you so much, Jen, for being my new friend, and I cannot wait to support your cute little challenge here. Thank you for letting me participate, and I cannot wait to see what everybody came up with. Sippy sip. How lovely is that? All right, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what I can come up with. All right, future BB here doing a voiceover. So what you want to do is sand down your pieces completely. I just used a simple nail file. You're also going to be needing some washi tape, your preference. You're also going to need scrap pieces. I went ahead and I opted for this pretty blush pink one. And what I'm going to do is apply some glue on the picture side of the puzzle and then face it on the back side, the blank side of the paper, so that it'll be sitting upright when you flip it over. I prefer to use Fabri-Fix just because it won't warp the cardboard, being that that's what the puzzle pieces are made of. I also like to smear out the glue as flush as I can to the puzzle piece just so that there's no bumps. The other thing that I like about these puzzle pieces is that they can be flat nails, so super awesome. Next, you can steal your toddler's water pins like I did from my 4-year-old son Paul, and I'm basically gonna trace around the puzzle. Speak of the devil, here he comes. Alright, so like I was saying, you're gonna basically trace around the whole puzzle piece so that the paper will soften around the edges, and then you can just rip them off. And I went ahead and I cut the paper in half just so it would be easier for me, and you can see me somewhat trying to do this. This was my first time, and I would definitely wet the paper just a little bit more, but this is how they turned out. I will also be uploading a full-length video of craft with me while I do this little project, so y'all can join me on that one as well if you'd like, or if this one suits you, then that's fine too. So I'm basically just cutting out a little corner here for a little side piece, and I'm trying to perhaps cover a little over half or maybe under half of the puzzle piece just to add a little bit of different texture to it, and I love the way that the scripted paper looks. You'll more than likely notice that I did mess up here. What I should have done was go in with the ink first instead of putting down the glue, but we're already past that, so I went ahead and distressed the edges just a smidge because I love the way that looks as well. The thing that I like about this glue is that it gives you time to manipulate the paper how you want it. So it's very forgiving, so you can wiggle the paper around to how you want it to look. And here I've grabbed for a little piece of doily, but I'll be working with that later. And here I'm utilizing some washi tape that Kara over at Karamia's Corner gifted me, and I fell in love with this. It's so pretty. And I split it into two, and they're tiny mini envelopes. And this will just add a little more character to the puzzle piece. What I like to do too is I add extra glue to the washi tape, just because washi tape sometimes doesn't stick the best. And I just like for it to have more longevity that way. And here I'm back to grabbing the little doily pieces, and now that I look back at it, I wish I probably would have placed them differently, but it still looked cute, so I'm just gonna apply some glue to that. I use this glue for literally everything. To be honest, I like the one with the red envelope, especially because on I believe the upper left hand side, there's a piece of like a faux stamp, and I think it matched really pretty with that red tone in the envelope. So super cute. And here I'm just trimming around the edges of the puzzle piece. I ended up getting some stickers from Shein, so if y'all buy clothes from Shein, just keep in mind if you're a crafter, you ought to check them out because they have super affordable prices. And I really liked these floral ones. I did a blossom on the right and a rose on the left, and I love the way these clear stickers look. And I think that wraps it up for me. I didn't show this in the video, but I do end up going around the edges of the puzzle pieces and distress them with my ink from Tim Holtz. And here is a close-up of how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this small little Tea Tuesday, and please join me on the next one. Alright, bye guys!